Hey guys, it's Suzanne Mosley with Usborne Books and More. You can find me on YouTube and Facebook at Suzanne Shares Books. You can find me on Instagram at Suzanne_Shares. Give me a follow and let's connect there. My Usborne Books and More website is SuzanneSharesBooks.com. So I'm a homeschooling mama. We do classical conversations and have done so for over a decade. And every year I make videos that pair Usborne Books and More books with the current CC cycle. So maybe you're watching this and you're a CC mom. Welcome. Maybe you're watching this and you're just interested in space books for your kiddo. Hey, welcome. No matter why you're here, I'm excited to show you these incredible activity books from Usborne Books and More that make the nonfiction aspect of books, which when I was little were really, really boring, which these pale in comparison because they not only are filled with lots of fun and lots of fun nonfiction facts, but they're super, super bright, colorful, interactive, and they are guaranteed to make learning all about space and the solar system super fun. So up first, let's start with a new title that came out in March 2022, Pop-Up Space. I love Usborne Books and More's pop-up book. So this one, we've had fairy tales, we've had books about birds. So I'm so excited and elated that we now have one about space. So it is written in a narrative format, but oh my goodness, check that out. Such a fun and engaging way to pull a child in and get them interested in reading more about space. Yay for Pop-Up Space. I also have these Lift the Flap books. So we have, this is the very first question and answer, Lift the Flap, very first question and answers. And this is the first question and answer series. You'll notice one is very first because it's geared for younger. It's also smaller. So these are two in the series. We also have one in this series, What Are Stars? These are beginner nonfictions and they have flaps. So this one is all about the moon. What is the moon? What shape is the moon? So when we get into the phases of the moon, this one is a great one that you can use with younger learners. Also, as you learn about space in the solar system, the sun is so important. So why does it shine? Why doesn't the sun look like a star if it is a star? So this is a little bit more advanced, but again, nonfiction. It's question and answer based. The word chunking, because you have different flaps, appeals to the auditory learners. The kinesthetic learners connect with the flaps, and the visual learners like me really love the really cool pictures. So this is a great way to introduce the sun and all things about the sun. We also have a Look Inside Space, which is a little more advanced. I think this one is for 4 and up. I love our Look Inside series. Again, it's nonfiction. It is, you'll notice, definitely more words per page. But again, appeals to all 3 learning styles with the bright, vibrant colors, the word chunking, as well as the Lift the Flaps. So this is a great book to take a deep dive in about space. We also have some astronomy books. I have another video on my website. Check out the Classical Conversations playlist. I have other astronomy books that aren't activity books per se, so I don't want you to miss those. This is one of my favorite activity books that we have. This is one of our book and puzzle sets. I love these. We have so many of these, and what I love about our puzzles is they all come with a book. So this is a 200-piece puzzle, and they all come with a different book that is available for purchase on a website. So the hardback version of the Full Out Solar System book is $14.99 on our website, or you can get the paperback version of this as well as the puzzle for $14.99. So this is a great way to engage kiddos learning in all 3 ways about space, the puzzle. Then I'm sure many of you are familiar with our Shine a Light series. This is on the space station. Again, it's nonfiction based, but it's written in more of a narrative format. And it talks more about what happens on a space station with astronauts and how do they sleep. There's a question on the right, and you shine a flashlight behind it, and it reveals the answer. So these are outstanding. I love these. And again, such a fun activity-based book to engage with, excuse me, with solar system. How fun to sneeze in the middle of a video. Okay, if you just need, let's just have some fun with space. We also have a paper plane series, and there is a paper Spaceships to fold. It comes with a pre-printed paper and makes four different types of paper airplane, paper spaceships, and you'll notice they're here. And once they get the book, you look at the colored spaceship here, and that determines which instructions that you follow to make that specific type of paper plane. As a mom of boys, I loved that they had to follow the steps and follow the instructions in order to get it right. So I love that. We also have really fun space warriors and alien sticker books. So if you just need a really fun, they've done a lot of astronomy learning, you just need something fun. We do have really fun sticker books as well. What my all-time favorite Usborne Books and More title is You Choose. And we have You Choose in Space, which is so hysterical. So on every page, there's a question, and they get to pick from all the pictures at the bottom. Look, it's Planet Pick and Mix. Do you like the view? Which things look familiar? Which look strange and new? So they get to pick and talk from the illustration. So this is awesome for a child that can't yet read. It's great for sibling pairs to do together so they can have a discussion and talk. And it just, it's so fun to hear their little interests and desires come out. So I just realized one I forgot. So this is Greek Miss Magic Painting. The Space Magic Painting is also available, but I sold out of it. So this is a magic painting series. I do love the Greek Miss one, not gonna lie, but there is a space themed one. These, you simply use water. Make sure to put the paper flat behind where you're painting. The water will bleed through, but once you add the water, bright colors come out, and the space one is actually one of my very favorite. It is absolutely gorgeous. These are some other books, and you'll notice they have nothing to do with space, but we have space-related books in these series, so I wanted to mention these. We have an Astronaut Academy. I do have an Academy series video on my YouTube channel, so just look that up. But this series is based on a certain occupation or profession, and it's project-based learning, so they work through it to learn more about that profession. So this is the vet one, but there is an astronaut one as well. I love this series. That's a job. I like outdoors. What jobs are they? There's a space one. It's new. I like space. What jobs are there? So it literally has so many different options. This one, they're outdoor themed, but we do, again, have a space related one. They're numbered 1, 2, 3, all on the double page spread to find out more about the job. So I love, as a parent, that they have to follow sequential ordering to learn more about the job. And I really like that it includes a best and worst thing about the job. So again, there's a space one. This says outdoors, but there is a space one. And then we also have Wipe Clean. This is unicorn activities, which they are kind of magical and maybe live in outer space. I don't know. But this is a Wipe Clean series, and there is a space one, Wipe Clean Space Activities. So you'll notice the mazes, the dot to dot, the different games that you do with the wipe, with the dry erase marker. And again, there is a space themed one as well, and it is super fun. So if you just need to do some really fun just activity, a non-electronic fun with books about space and astronomy, those are some great options for you. And check out the other astronomy videos on my YouTube channel as well. So all of these are on my site, SuzanneSharesBooks.com. Thanks so much, and thanks for watching.